So over time, what impact have you seen this kind of coaching have on an organization?
It's a great question. We're doing some impact studies now on coaching engagements over a period of time, and we're seeing a number of things. Firstly, we're definitely seeing a big increase in engagement. So individuals who maybe were sort of, partly engaged, partly not engaged, they're going through coaching, they're having a regular session with a coach maybe every two weeks. After a few months, there's a significant increase in the level of engagement, in the organisation overall. And we're seeing that across some decent numbers of people. Having that sounding board, that resource, someone who kind of believes in you and helps you think is proving to be of immense value to individuals, and they are really appreciating the resource. One comment from an internal coachee was, "This is the first time that the organisation's given us something that actually helped us do our job."
Wow.
Which is a pretty big comment.
That's huge.
This is something that's helping the person to do what they do every day, which is to think.
Right.
There's not many things that actually help us think in that way. So it's having a profound impact. And, how do you measure, that Carol has spent 18 months, not really feeling like she's been delivering the best information, and is now, after 5 minutes, is now going to deliver much more effective information, that's more in line with what her leaders want. What's the spin-off from that? What decisions get made that mightn't have been made earlier? There's a whole kind of ripple effect when people start to think more clearly. So it's definitely having an impact on engagement. It's having an impact on people's performance. It's having an impact on goal achievement overall. But it's often the more subtle things that people are making better decisions and are energised. And one other thing on that I'll say is, as you saw from all those situations, when you coach someone, they actually get quite energised. There's plenty of things that are taking our energy away, in a sense, fluorescent lights and no natural light, various things in offices and politics and whatever else. It's fantastic to have things that will energise people.
Right.
So if you can coach people and get them to make these new connections, come up with these new ideas and energise, imagine an organisation where everyone was making this new connection every day.
Right.
It would be a completely different organisation at an energetic level.